I hate to be the one to tell you this, but every time you save money and do nothing with it, you're losing. Not because you're reckless, but because inflation never takes a break. While you're holding onto your paycheck, hoping things get better, the wealthy, they're buying assets that inflate with inflation. They knew what was coming, and they didn't wait to react. They prepared. They used a strategy called inflation hedging. And it's not just some complex economic term. It's how they stay rich while prices rise. Inflation hedging means putting your money into things that grow in value as the cost of living rises, like property, gold, stocks, or even certain businesses. It's not magic. It's a formula that protects your wealth while others watch theirs disappear. This is exactly how the wealthy play the long game. Quietly, consistently, powerfully. Follow for more. Your future self will thank you.